So I found this little cicada on the ground and the ants were eating him. And normally I don't interfere with nature, but this little guy was, I don't know, I love. And he's really struggling because they ate half his body. I don't know if you can see it, but no, because of the light. But half his body is gone. They ate half his body. And I don't know how somehow he's still alive. I don't know. But he's just gonna hang out here on this sponge with some water so he can have the comfort of the water during his last moments, I guess. Sweetheart. Hey, baby. Hey, sweetheart. Hey, baby.